Hello student, we studied in our previous lecture about the spermatogenesis and the oogenesis process. Today we are start menstrual cycle. But this menstrual cycle, it is lead to the oogenesis process. It is related with the menstrual cycle. Cause a menstrual cycle, it is relate with the two cycle, and that is called the uterine cycle and the ovarian cycle. These two things are included in this. Now we are take the introduction. We start with the menstrual cycle. So we can say that from one menstruation till the next menstruation, it is called the menstrual cycle. In female, we know that there are the one pair of ovary is present. Okay, so every month each ovary, that means we can say that right hand side and left hand side. 1 month if the right side ovary is produce the ova, the next month left sidal ovary is produce the ova. That means the alteration is present over here. 1 month from a right side, another month from a left side. This alteration is present. So here, how the ova is produced, how follicles become mature, thus all things that we are taking in this. So for that, we are giving the definition of the menstrual cycle. So we can say that from the one menstruation till the next menstruation, it is called the menstrual cycle. Now, it is present at where? So it is present into the female primate like monkey, ape and human being. It is present into the what? Monkey, apes and human. They all are known as the primate. If you remember the first chapter, then there are we study about the two cycle. One it is called the menstrual cycle and another it is known as the estrous cycle. But if we are talking about the primate, then it is what? It is called the menstrual cycle. Today we are study about the female human, the human female. Okay, and because of that, in that what is present, we have to take the menstrual cycle. Now if we take the next point, that is called the duration. Duration is the 28 day to 29 day. Okay, in some female it is 1 to 28 day. Sometime 1 day is increased the 29 day. So it will be a 28 day or 29. Next point, if in female the first menstrual cycle is present at the puberty, then it is called the menarche. What it is called? Menarche. Again, in female, the first menstruation is begin. It is called the what? Menarche. But in the female, the same happen at the puberty. Okay, this is not present before the puberty. So here we are says that again, menarche. It is called the first menstruation being at the puberty. Okay, in the female primate. Now, we are taking that the menstrual cycle. Then menstrual cycle is divided into the three phases. Number one, it is called the first phase. That is called the menstrual phase. Second, it is called the follicle phase. And number three, it is known as the luteal phase. These three phases, or we can say that afterward, once the three step is completed, menstrual phase, then second it is called the follicular phase, number three it is called the luteal phase. When these three phases are completed, the next phase will be a start, that is called the menstrual. So in simple word, that we can say that menstrual cycle is start from the menstrual phases and end at the luteal phase. This is the one menstrual. Okay, so here what we are giving the definition of the menstrual cycle? From one menstruation till the next menstruation, it is called the menstruation cycle. Now here we are taking that menstrual cycle, the first phase. So here I can't draw the figure because of the okay. So you have to say inside your book, okay, for your figure, and I will explain this whole theory over here. Number one, that we are called the menstrual phase. Okay. This topic is very easy, but you have to see here, understand all topic. If you have any query, then you can ask me. See, menstrual phase. In that, what is present? So here we are taking that. We talk that menstrual cycle. In that, the first menstrual, it take from 1 to 28 days. How many days? 1 to 28 days. Okay. In that what? Menstruation is present. Okay. Now we are start from the first day. Okay. From first to we are going at the 28. So what happened? Menstrual phase, it is start at the time where the uterine wall is ruptured. If the uterine wall is ruptured, then it is called the endometrium. Then the blood is coming out from the vaginal area of female, that is called the menstrual phase. It is start from the first day and it is take 3 to 5 days. Minimum 3, maximum what? 5 days. Okay, it is take what? 3 to 5 days. Again, menstrual phase, it is start from the first day. It is stay up to the 3 or it is up to the 5 days. Now next point, we are taking that here what is present where the lacking of this menstrual phase. So if the female is pregnant, she is under the stress or the poor health. In this 3 condition, this menstrual phase is absent or the menstrual cycle is not able to seen in that. Clear? Again, menstrual phase, in that what is present? So in female, in their uterus, their internal or the endometrium is ruptured. Because of that, the blood is coming out from the vaginal area, that is called the menstrual phase. In that, it is start from the first day and at 3rd day, or in some female it is end at a 5th day. So the time period is 3 to 5 days. Now this menstrual cycle or the menstrual phase is lacking in female in 3 conditions. Number 1, if she is pregnant. Number 2, it's a poor health. Or number 3, that we can say that what is present in that? So she is under the stress. This 3 situation is present. Now, if you are memorize our oogenesis, then first it is called the ovarian cycle. With that we are taking that the uterine cycle. I'm just compare the 2 things. That's why you are able to easily remember things. Ovarian cycle, in that we are saying that the secondary oocytes are present. Clear? This secondary oocyte, it fertilized by sperm. If this thing is not present, so they are not able to, if the fertilization is not present, then what happened? Because of that, the mature ovum is not developed. Clear? Mature ovum is not developed. Because of that, what happened? So here, the menstruation will be started. Clear? Again, in ovarian cycle, in oogenesis that we will study, secondary oocyte is present. If it is not fertilized by sperm, so they are not converted into mature ovum. Because of that, what happened? Menstruation is started. So what we are calling? the ovarian cycle is completed at the menstrual cycle, but the uterine cycle is started from the menstrual cycle. So here the first day, what happened? Mature ovum is not fertilized. Because of that, the endoderm of the uterus is ruptured. Okay. Because of that, the blood is coming from the vagina of female, and that we are calling what? Uterine cycle. Clear? Again, what happened? Ovarian cycle. In that secondary oocyte is not fertilized, so they are not converted into the mature ovum. Because of that, what happened? So the menstruation is started. Where the menstruation is started, that is the first day of the uterine cycle. In that, endoderm is ruptured and blood is coming through the vagina. Clear? This thing is present over there. Second point here, that if you see in your book, okay, then you clearly see in that the upper side they are giving you a pituitary hormones, then the ovarian events, then ovarian hormones, and third uterine events. See, you are clearly see that the ovarian event and the uterine events both are given in that. Okay, so you are able to see that first to third day that they are writing menses. Menses, that means what? Blood is flowing from the vagina of female. So here 1 to 3 day or 1 to 5 day. But if you are see that, then upper side from the first day follicles are developed. So how this thing will be a possible? अगर हम सोचे कि एक तरफ क्या हो रहा है कि मेंस्ट्रुअल स्टार्ट हो गया, ब्लड आ रहा है, दूसरी चीज हम ये बोल रहे हैं कि भाई ओवेरियन जो साइकिल है वहां पे फॉलिकल्स का डेवलपमेंट स्टार्ट हो गए. हाउ दिस थिंग विल बी अ पॉसिबल? सो वी अर्ली डिस्कस दैट इन फीमेल टू व्हाट इज प्रेजेंट, ovaries are present, right and left. Both are producing what? Ova. So remember, here this right side ovary, it started development of ova. When that ova is become a mature, if is not fertilized, then the menstrual cycle will be a static. With that, here endoderm is ruptured and the blood is coming from vagina. So here we can see that right hand sidal ova is complete that development. Okay. With that, left hand side ovary is start to produce ova. मतलब कि यहाँ पे जब menstrual cycle start हो रहा है, यहाँ पे जबकि mature ovum का development नहीं हो रहा है, तब सामने या जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ओवा है, ओवरी है, उसमें से ओवा प्रोडक्शन स्टार्ट हो गया. दैट मीन्स व्हाट? कि इन फीमेल बॉडी प्रोडक्शन ऑफ ओवा इज नेवर स्टॉप. 1 month फ्रॉम द राइट हैंड साइड, अदर month फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. सो दैट्स व्हाई दे आर गिविंग इन योर बुक द अपर साइड द फॉलिकल डेवलपमेंट इज स्टार्टेड. Again, that I am saying that right hand side ovary is producing ova. That ova is not fertilized because of the menstrual cycle will started. With that, in uterine cycle, the endoderm is ruptured. But at that time, left hand side ovary is started the production of new ova. It is started what? Production of new ova. So here we are starting with the second one, that is called the which phase? Follicle phase. Now the name suggests follicle phase. So here what is happening? The primary follicle is grow and converted into mature follicle. Clear? What happened over here? The primary follicles, they are grown and converted into what? Mature follicles. Why? Cause here that I told you, right hand side ovary is completed. Okay, they are now what? Not fertilized, but the other ovary, it is what? Started to produce ova, and they are the primary follicles. Okay, and that primary follicles grow and it is converted into the mature follicles, and the mature follicles are known as the Graafian follicles. Second point, follicles are the main source for the estrogen. Follicles are what? Main source for the what? Estrogen. And that's why where the primary follicles are grow into the mature follicle, if you see in your book, at that time the level of the estrogen is the what? A maximum. Okay, it is what? The estrogen is produced more. With that, the pituitary hormones FSH and LH, you see in your book, both are start to secrete. Okay, that means what is present? Again I am saying that follicular phase, in that the primary follicles are start to develop mature Graafian follicles. Okay, for that, because of that, what is happened? The follicles are the main source of estrogen, and that's why the estrogen is secreted by the follicles up to where the mature follicles are developed. With that, the pituitary hormones LH and FSH both are increased gradually, and they are stimulate the follicle development. That means LH and FSH stimulate the primary follicles to grow into the mature follicles. Remember, but they are the source for the secretion of the estrogen. मतलब ये कि पिट्यूटरी के जो हॉर्मोन्स आ रहे हैं LH एंड FSH, वो क्या कर रहे हैं? प्राइमरी फॉलिकल्स को मेच्योर फॉलिकल्स में कन्वर्ट होने के लिए फोर्स कर रहे हैं. ओके, तो उसकी वजह से क्या हो रहा है? प्राइमरी फॉलिकल्स है जो एस्ट्रोजन को सिक्रीट कर रही है, और वो कब तक करेगी? जब तक वो मेच्योर फॉलिकल्स है तब तक. अप टू दी ग्राफियन फॉलिकल्स, they are secreting what? Estrogen. Now the next point, where the LH is present on their surge, at that time what happened? Ovulation will be a prep. Okay, ovulation will be a form. What we are saying that where the LH is on the peak, that is called the LH surge. Because of that, what happened? The Graafian follicles are ruptured and the ovulation will be done. And remember, ovulations are always happen at the 14th day of the menstrual. Okay, what happened which day? 14th day. Okay, now again, here primary follicles convert into mature follicles. Ovulation is happened. Okay, and what we will study? Where the ovulation happen, ova is released. If ova is released, then what is the possibility? In 40 to 28 days, there are the maximum possibility of pregnancy. Clear? 14th day पे ओवा रिलीज हो चुका है. अब 28 डे तक पूरी पॉसिबिलिटी है कि वो जो ओवा है वो फर्टिलाइज होगा. पर हमने तो ये देखा, in menstrual cycle the uterus, it will be a rupture. The endometrium of the uterus, it is what? Rupture. So how the egg or the embryo is implanted into the where? Uterus. So for that, in follicle phase, the regeneration of the uterine endoderm will be started. So the situation is this type. In follicle phase, primary follicles grow at the mature follicle. With that, in uterus, the uterine wall, it is what start regenerate. That means endometrium is start regenerate. In the follicular phase, the FSH and LH both are secreted maximum. That means they are on their peak level. This LH and FSH increase gradually and they are stimulate follicular development. That means from primary follicles to the mature follicles. Now, estrogen is also secreted by the what? Follicles. Again, I am repeating. LH and FSH stimulate primary follicles to convert into mature follicles. But the follicles are the source of estrogen. Follicles क्या करेंगी? एस्ट्रोजन को सीक्रेट करती हैं. But where at the 14th day or the middle of cycle, LH and FSH at the peak level, the maximum level of LH at a mid cycle called the LH surge. What it is called? LH surge. At this time, they are what happened? The ovulation will be starting. That means from the what? Graphian follicles, the ova is come out. This is called the ovulation. Clear? Two phases are cleared over here. Now we are taking the third point, that is called the luteal phase. It is called the luteal phase. Luteal phase, that means what we can call that the secretory phase. Okay. Now, here in the follicular phase, we say that on the 14th day, what will be happen? Ovulation. Now, so we can say that the luteal phase, that is from the 15 to 28 day. How many days are taken by them? 15 to 28 days. So in this, what happened after the ovulation? Okay, what is present? Graphian follicles. If you understand properly oogenesis, then this is a very easy process. It is very easy to understand. So please first clear your oogenesis and then read this topic. We take that in the oogenesis. We see into the picture of ovary, Graphian follicles. What happened? They are remove the ova. Because of that, that is converted into the corpus luteum. It is converted into what? Corpus luteum. This corpus luteum is secrete amount of progesterone. It secrete what? Large amount of progesterone. So if you are seeing in your book, then see in your book. Now, after the ovulation, the level of estrogen is decreased and the level of the progesterone is increased. Okay, why? Because I told you, again I am repeating, follicles are the main source of the estrogen. Here, the follicles or the Graphian follicles remove the ova at the 14th day, and that's why this Graphian follicles converted into the corpus luteum. This corpus luteum, it is the main source for the what? A progesterone. Okay. So what they are doing, it is important to maintain the endodermis. What we are calling in menstrual phase, endodermis is rupture. In follicle phase, endodermis is start regenerate. Or in the luteal phase, what is present? So now this endometrium is maintained. Why endometrium is maintained? Because I told you 15 to 28 day. This is the highest. Here the frequency of the pregnancy. यहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा possibility है pregnancy की. So if the zygote will develop, so that zygote has to implant into the uterus, and because of that, here for the implantation of the embryo, that endodermis has to be maintained. Okay. Now, if female is pregnant during this time, 15 to 28 days, so what happened? Now the menstrual phase is not started. Again, I am repeating. In this 15 to 28 day, Graafian follicles, in that ova is released. That is called the ovulation. Because of that, the Graafian follicle converted into the corpus luteum. They are secreting large amount of progesterone. This progesterone is maintained the wall of endometrium. But if this time, if female is become pregnant, so this one, it is not converted into the menstrual phase. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? Menstrual cycle will be a stop. वो आगे प्रोड्यूस नहीं होगी. Why? Cause in female, once the fertilization will be happen, then what happen? It need 9 months for the development of baby. 9 महीने तक जो बच्चा है, जो बेबी है और जो एम्ब्रियो है, वो मदर वूम के अंदर और द यूटेरस के अंदर वो डेवलप हो रहा है. उसकी वजह से अब ये लैक्यूल फेज के बाद मेंस्ट्रुअल फेज नहीं आएगा, वो वहां पे स्टॉप हो जाता है. नाउ इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ फर्टिलाइजेशन, अगर मान लो कि फर्टिलाइजेशन नहीं हुआ, देयर आर द 2 चांसेस. इफ हियर द एंडोडर्मिस इज व्हाट कंप्लीटली डेवलप, नाउ हियर what is happen, ova is released. So in this 15 to 28 day, if the fertilization will be happen, so menstrual cycle will be a not work. But if the fertilization is not happen, then what happen? This corpus luteum, it is degrade. ये degrade हो जाता है. If the corpus luteum is degrade, so progesterone is not secreted. अगर प्रोजेस्टेरोन ही नहीं सिक्रीट होगा तो एंडोडर्मिस को मेंटेन कौन करेगा? कोई नहीं. उसकी वजह से जो एंडोडर्मिस है वो रप्चर हो जाएगा और मेंस्ट्रुअल फेज वापस स्टार्ट हो जाता है. समझ में आया? व्हाट हैपेंड? ग्राफियन फॉलिकल्स कॉर्पस ल्यूटियम के अंदर कन्वर्ट हो गए. अगर वो कॉर्पस ल्यूटियम 15 to 28 डे के अंदर अगर फर्टिलाइजेशन नहीं होता तो ये जो कॉर्पस ल्यूटियम है वो डिग्रेड होगा. अगर कॉर्पस ल्यूटियम डिग्रेड होगा तो प्रोजेस्टेरॉन का सिक्रीशन कोई नहीं करेगा, वो वहीं के वहीं स्टॉप हो जाएगा. उसकी वजह से क्या होगा? तो जो अंदर एंडोडर्मिस था वो प्रोजेस्टेरॉन की वजह से मेंटेन हो रहा था, अब वो मेंटेन नहीं होगा और फीमेल के अंदर वो जो एंडोमेट्रियम था वो टूटेगा, रप्चर होगा और उसकी वजह से ब्लड फ्लो होगा और वापस 1 से 3 या 5 दिन तक मेंस्ट्रुअल फेज रहेगा. ठीक है, समझ में आया? अगर हम एक बार बुक में देखें, एक बार अगर बुक में से रिपीट करें, सो सी व्हाट इज प्रेजेंट इन दैट. ध्यान से एक बार समझना, मैं पूरी प्रोसेस रिपीट कर रही हूं. What is present? This is the ovarium and this is called the uterus events. Now what happened? So if you are able to see that, then clearly here see that here the pituitary levels, okay, and here what is present? Ovarian hormones are present. पहला दिन उसको बोले हम menses. That means blood is coming from the female vagina. Why? Cause fertilization is not formed. Because of that, the blood is coming out from the female vagina. So it take 1 to 3 days or 1 to 5 days. But this is what completion of the one, what is ovule. Okay, एक ओवा जो सिक्रेट हो रहा है. अगर हम वापस देखें इसको, समझे इसको तो समझना, राइट साइड की जो ओवरी थी उसके अंदर से जो ओवा निकला था उसका यहाँ पे फर्टिलाइजेशन नहीं हुआ, उसकी वजह से यहाँ पे मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल स्टार्ट हो गई. साथ में क्या होता है, जो यूटेरस था उसकी वॉल भी रप्चर हो गई क्योंकि यहाँ पे फर्टिलाइजेशन नहीं हुआ और उसकी वजह से फीमेल की वजाइना में से ब्लड निकल रहा है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द मेंसेस। साथ में क्या हो रहा है, राइट साइड की ओवरी का काम खत्म। अब जो लेफ्ट साइड की ओवरी है वो प्राइमरी फॉलिकल्स का ग्रो कर रही है। कहां तक कर रही है, मैच्योर फॉलिकल्स। और ये हम किस फेज में ले रहे हैं, फॉलिकुलर फेज और द पॉलीफरेटिव फेज। तो इसमें क्या हो रहा है, यहाँ पे जो प्राइमरी फॉलिकल्स हैं वो मैच्योर फॉलिकल्स के अंदर कन्वर्ट हो रही। उसकी वजह से यहाँ पे ये जो प्राइमरी जो पिट्यूटरी जो हॉर्मोन्स हैं FSH एंड LH दोनों का अगर आप देखो तो लेवल बढ़ रहा है, जो कि प्राइमरी ये जो फॉलिकल्स हैं उनको मैच्योर फॉलिकल में कन्वर्ट होने के लिए प्रिकर्सर का काम कर रहा है, उसको स्टिमुलेट कर रहा है। पर ये जब बन रहे हैं तब साथ में वो लोग एक सिक्रीशन कर रहे हैं और वो है इस्ट्रोजन का। आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे इस्ट्रोजन का लेवल बढ़ रहा है। ओके, सो वेयर द ऑन द 14th डे और एट द मिड साइकिल where the ova is coming out from the Graafian follicles, that is called ovulation. At that time the level of the estrogen is maximum. ठीक है, पर ये एस्ट्रोजन का लेवल मैक्सिमम हमें यहाँ पे तो मिल रहा है, पर ये ओव्यूलेशन कब होगा, तो जब LH मैक्सिमम, अगर आप देखो तो यहाँ पे हाईएस्ट LH का लेवल, so LH is secreted maximum, that is called LH surge. Because of that, here the ovulation is occur. Okay, so the ova is coming out. So now this Graafian follicles, okay, it is enter into the third phase and that is called the luteal phase or it is called the secretory phase. Ova तो release हो गया. Now what is remaining ovary? So that is called the corpus luteum. मैंने बोला था कि ओवा रिलीज होने के बाद कहां पे जाता है, ओविडक्ट। ठीक है, और ये जो है यहाँ पे ग्राफियन फॉलिकल्स दैट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू द कॉर्पस ल्यूटियम। अब ये कॉर्पस ल्यूटियम क्या करेगा, तो अगर आप यहाँ पे देखो तो दे आर स्टार्टेड द सिक्रीशन ऑफ द व्हाट अ प्रोजेस्टेरॉन। प्रोजेस्टेरॉन का लेवल मैक्सिमम करेगा इन द फॉलिकुलर फेज। Clearly you can see that here the uterine wall is start to regenerate. यहाँ पे जो रप्चर हुई थी अब वो यूटेराइन की वॉल वापस रीजनरेट हो रही, और बिकॉज ऑफ द सिक्रीशन ऑफ द प्रोजेस्टेरॉन by the corpus luteum they are maintain the wall of the uterus. Here this is the wall of the uterus is maintained, but when at a 28th day where the fertilization is not occur, then what happened, corpus luteum is regress or it is called the degrade. Because of that again the level of the progesterone is decreased, and here you can say that 29/1, that means on the 29th day here the 28 or the 29th day corpus luteum is degrade, and because of that what happened, the menstrual cycle will be started. So what happened again, left side ovary it secrete ova, the function of that is stop over here, वहां पे उसका काम खत्म, and again the menstrual cycle will be started. Now in female what is present, so in the female the menopause is started at the 50 years, मीन्स की 50 साल होने के बाद फीमेल के अंदर मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल जो है वो क्या हो जाता है, स्टॉप हो जाता है. ओके, सो if in female that we take, then what happen, the menstrual cycle it is start from the where, menarche, lead to the menstrual cycle that enter into the menopause. Once the menopause is started in female, ova is not produced. So at the 50 year in female what happened, menopause is started, or in that we can say that now the ova is not produced. Okay, so here we can say that menarche and menopause both are connected by the what, menstrual cycle. So here we are completed the menstrual cycle. Again I am repeating what happened, and then we are taking the chart of them. Here what is present, that initially in the first phase, that is called the menstrual phase. In that menstrual phase, what happened? So here the first 2-3 days or the first 2-5 days, the menstrual is starting. Due to the lacking of the fertilization, this thing will be a happen. Now in that what is present? So uterine wall is ruptured. Because of that, the blood is coming out from the vagina. This thing is not happening in these 3 conditions. If the female is pregnant, she has a poor health, or number 3, she is under the stress. This process is what stop. Second phase, that is we are calling that, it is called the follicular phase. In that follicular phase, primary follicles are converted into the mature follicles. But for that, pituitary hormones FSH and LH both are increased. They are stimulate the development of the what follicles. But when at the mid-cycle or the 14th day, the LH is also LH surge. That means the level of the LH is become a maximum. The ovulation will be started or the ovulation is formed. That means from the Graafian follicles, ova is released. But here, the primary follicles to the mature follicles, they are the main source for the secretion of the estrogen. They are secreted maximum estrogen. During this phase, the endometrium of the uterus start to regenerate, or in the last luteal phase or the secretory phase after the ovulation, the Graafian follicles converted into the corpus luteum. This corpus luteum is the maximally secrete what progesterone, which maintain the uterine wall of the uterine wall or the endodermis. But in the 15 to 28 day, if the fertilization is not formed, so because of that, what happened? So here, this corpus luteum is degraded. Because of the degrade of the corpus luteum, the secretion of progesterone is stopped, and because of that, the endoderm is ruptured and the menstruation is started. This thing is not happen in the case of pregnancy. If female is become pregnant in 15 to 28 days, so this thing or the menstrual cycle is stopped over there. But if she is not fertilized, then again what happened? The menstruation will be started. Now in female, after 50 years, the ova is not produced, and this is called a menopause, or we can say that in female, reproductive life start from menarche, lead to the menstrual cycle and end up to the menopause. So we can say that menarche and the menopause both are connected by the menstrual cycle. Now we are taking a small chart of take the events happen into the ovarian cycle, and another it is called the uterine cycle. So here we are taking the difference. We are taking the events of them. Ovarian cycle or its event, uterine cycle or its event. Remember, here it's a comparison, and what the event of that, this is the extra point. So especially NEET student, see here, first phase, that is called the follicle phase. What it is called? Follicle phase. Here we are taking them or the divided into 2 phases. Number 1, it is called the menstruation. It is from 1 to 3 or 5. Okay. Next, it is called which phase? Follicular phase or the follicle phase. It is what? Up to 30. Up to what? 30. So at that time, what happened into the ovarian cycle? So FSH and LH is secreted. What secreted? FSH and LH. Now next point, what is present? So here the follicles are become a mature. Follicles are become a mature. See, here we are taking 2 points, menstrual and the follicle phase, and that's why we are writing FS and LH are secreted, follicles are become a mature, and estrogen is secreted or the produced by follicle. By what? Follicle. Again, in ovarian cycle, first menstrual, what is present? 1, 2, 3 or 5th day, or it is called the follicular phase up to 30, or even you can write them like this way. Here the follicular phase up to 1 to 13. Why? If you can understand, then here we are taking the ovarian cycle, and ovarian cycle are always start from the follicles, that is called the primary follicle, and that's why we are writing over here that is called the follicle phase 1 to 13 days. Okay, and that's why FS and LH both are secreted, follicles become mature, and estrogen are produced by the follicles. बट इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द यूटेरस साइकिल, अपनी बुक में जो अपन ने मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल पढ़ा अभी, दैट इज कॉल्ड, दैट इज अ यूटेराइन साइकिल. सो यूटेराइन साइकिल के अंदर क्या होगा? फर्स्ट इट इज कॉल्ड द मेंस्ट्रुअल फेज और इट इज कॉल्ड द मेंस्ट्रुएशन. सो हाउ मच डे? 1 2 3 और व्हाट अप टू 5 डे. क्लियर? वापस अगर हम ओवेरियन साइकिल की बात करें तो ओवेरियन साइकिल हमेशा फॉलिकल से स्टार्ट होता है. ठीक है, सी द चार्ट गिवन इन योर बुक. आपकी बुक में जो चार्ट दिया है अगर उसको देखो तो इट इज स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द डेवलपिंग फॉलिकल्स. सो फॉलिकल फेज बोलेंगे 1 to 13 डेज. ठीक है, उसमें क्या होता है? FSH एंड LH बोथ आर सिक्रेटेड. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट द फॉलिकल्स आर बिकेम मैच्योर विच लीड द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ एस्ट्रोजन. बट उसी साइकिल को, फॉलिकल फेज को यूटेराइन साइकिल में 2 पार्ट के अंदर डिवाइड करते हैं. फर्स्ट इट इज कॉल्ड द मेंस्ट्रुएशन, दैट इज कॉल्ड 1 to 3 डे, एंड अदर इट इज कॉल्ड द पॉलीफरेटिव फेज और इट इज कॉल्ड द फॉलिकल फेज. फॉलिकल फेज और इट इज कॉल्ड द पॉलीफरेटिव फेज. कितने दिनों तक होगा? अप टू 13 डे. कितने दिन का होगा? 13 डे. सो हियर दैट वी कैन राइटिंग दैट 6 to 30 डेज. कितने दिन तक होगा? 6 to 30 डेज. ठीक है, इसके अंदर क्या होगा? तो यहाँ पे व्हेन द मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल इज और द मेंस्ट्रुएशन इज प्रेजेंट, सो एंडोडर्म इज रप्चर. एंडोडर्म इज व्हाट? रप्चर. पर यहाँ पे इन फॉलिकुलर फेज 6 to 13 डे व्हाट हैपेंड? एंडोडर्म इज रीजनरेट. वो क्या होगा यहाँ पे? एंडोडर्म इज रीजनरेट. ठीक है, अकॉर्डिंग टू बुक. बुक के अंदर क्या दिया है? पहले दिन को क्या बोलेंगे? 1 to 13 को मेंस्ट्रुएशन. उसके बाद क्या बोलेंगे? फॉलिकुलर फेज. सो पहले क्या हो रहा है? एंडोडर्म रप्चर होगा. उसके बाद क्या होगा? एंडोडर्म यहाँ पे रीजनरेट हो रहा है. पर उसी सारी चीज को ओवेरियन साइकिल में क्या बोलेंगे? फॉलिकल फेज, जो कितने दिन तक रहेगा? 1 to 13 डे. उसके बाद ऑन द 14th डे व्हाट इज प्रेजेंट? ओव्यूलेशन. On which day? 14th day. Clear? यहाँ पे हमने लिया था इन फॉलिकुलर फेज दैट वी आर टेकिंग 6 to 14 डे. व्हाई? बिकॉज वी आर टेकिंग द ओव्यूलेशन इन दैट. पर यहाँ पे हमने क्या करा? थोड़ा सा अलग दिखाने के लिए यहाँ पे हमने ओव्यूलेशन फेज को अलग रखा है. बाकी है इसका ही पार्ट, फॉलिकल फेज का ही पार्ट. क्या होता है यहाँ? द इंक्रीज द सिक्रीशन ऑफ LH. यहाँ पे LH का सिक्रीशन ज्यादा होगा. दैट इज कॉल्ड द LH सर्ज. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट द ओव्यूलेशन इज हैपेंड. यहाँ पे प्रोसेस कंटिन्यू रहती है. एंडोडर्म इज रीजनरेटेड. एट लास्ट फेज दैट इज नोन एज द व्हाट? अ ल्यूटियल फेज. Which phase? Luteal phase. How much day? So they are taking 15 to 28 days. How many days? 15 to 28 days. So what happened? Here the corpus luteum is developed. What developed? Corpus luteum. So ये क्या करेगा corpus luteum? It secreted progesterone. What it is secreted? Progesterone. Okay. Same here. We are know them. What phase? Which phase? The luteal phase. यहाँ पे भी वही नाम. Okay. Same days 15 to 28. Okay. Because of that यहाँ क्या होगा? Endometrium is became a thick. Okay. What happened? Endometrium became a thick. And glands are start to secrete. यहाँ पे glands क्या होगी? Secretion होगा उसका. Okay. So your glands are start to secrete. Again, once I will repeat it over here. Say it clearly. Here we are taking the comparison of the ovarian cycle and the uterine cycle. What happened? Follicle phase in the ovarian cycle. Because it is start from where? So it is a start from the development of the primary follicles. Events FSH और LH दोनों का सिक्रीशन होगा. फॉलिकल्स मैच्योर बनेगी और वो एस्ट्रोजन को क्या करेगी? सिक्रीट करेगी. जबकि यूटेरस के अंदर उसी पार्ट को दो पार्ट में डिवाइड करा है, दो फेज में. पहला मेंस्ट्रुअल फेज दैट इज 1 2 3 और 5 डे. वो क्या करेगा? उस टाइम में एंडोडर्म रप्चर होगा. जबकि 6 to 30 डे दे आर द फॉलिकल फेज. उसके अंदर क्या होगा? एंडोडर्म रीजनरेट. 14 डे पे ओव्यूलेशन हो रहा है. व्हाई? बिकॉज एलएच सीक्रेटेड मैक्सिमम, एलएच सर्च, पर उसकी यहाँ पे कोई इंपैक्ट नहीं हो रही है. जो प्रोसेस चालू है, एंडोडर्म का रीजनरेशन हो रहा है, वो कंटिन्यू. उसके बाद यहाँ पे आएगा 15 to 28 डे दैट इज कॉल्ड द ल्यूटियल फेज. यहां पर क्या होगा? ग्राफिन फॉलिकल्स कॉर्पस ल्यूटियम के अंदर कन्वर्ट हो रही, जो प्रोजेस्टेरॉन का सिक्रीशन करेगा. यूटेरियन साइकिल में भी उसको क्या बोला है? ल्यूटियल फेज. 15 to 28 डेज. तो उसमें क्या होगा? एंडोडर्म इज बिकम अ थिक. एंडोडर्म वापस थिक होगा एंड ग्लैंड्स आर स्टार्ट टू सिक्रेट. बट इफ here the fertilization is not happening into 15 to 28 days, then what happened again? This cycle will be started from the menstruation. So today we are completed up to here. I hope you properly understand. Read it twice. If you are not able to understand, then you can ask me a question and write your homework. Once you have to write in your fair book, and then 2 times you have to write in your homework book. Okay? Bye, student.